You know, even in that process, I remember reading a quote from James Beard. Good bread is the most fundamentally satisfying of all food. And good bread with fresh butter is the greatest of feasts. And then, you know, and that hit me. It's like, bread is the vessel that carries your sandwich. Bread is in the center of the table. That's the starter. And it's just been, you know, a practice. Never thought of as a business, just more thought of as a product and a practice. Good?
Good.
Sweet.